Once you've built a quality app and published it on Google Play, you've got to start letting people know about it. Users have lots of apps to choose from, so you need to work to make yours stand out. Here are 10 tips you should follow to get more users to install your app. Optimize your Play Store listing. Your listing will most probably be prospective users' first introduction to your app, so make it compelling. Start with an eye-catching icon and add graphics that convey the value of your app. Make your description apt and succinct. Use the Storelistingexperiments feature to test the graphics and text that drive the most downloads, and localize your text, images, and videos. Your listing needs to pop. Take your app global. Users prefer apps in their own language, so localizing your app can quickly gain you installs worldwide. Use the app translation service in the developer console to request an affordable, professional translation of your app and store listing. Reach new audiences. Extending your app to new form factors like Android Wear, TV, and Auto opens it up to new users of those platforms. Meet the quality guidelines and then opt into each form factor on the distribution page of the developer console so your app can be discovered. And is your app suited to families, education, or enterprises? Then reach those audiences too by meeting the guidelines and opting in when you publish your app in the Play Store. Run app install ads. AdWords is a powerful and effective way to promote your app to interested users when they spend time on phones and tablets. With app install ads on Google Play, Google Search, YouTube, Gmail, within apps, and across the web on the Google Display Network. You can also use Conversion Optimizer to automate your bidding so that your ads target users who are most likely to install your app. Refine your marketing with Google Analytics. Make every marketing dollar work harder. You can understand which channels and campaigns are driving the most visitors to your Play Store listing, and which campaigns are driving the most installs. And with post-conversion tracking, which campaigns are bringing in the most users who take specific actions, whether that's making a payment or something else. And you can also link analytics with AdWords to test which of your ads and creative work the best. Get your app in Google Search. By implementing app indexing for Google Search, deep links to your Android app will appear in the Google Search results, letting users get to your native mobile experience quickly and landing exactly on the right content within your app. If the user doesn't have your app installed, there will be a link to the Play Store so they can install your app. Drive over-the-air installs from your site. Let users install your app directly to their devices from your website with one click. Implement Google Sign-in on your site to make creating an account quick and easy. Then, when users create an account, you can offer them an over-the-air install, which will push the app to their device in just one click. Outsource for smarter app invites. Add app invites to your app to enable simple, smart, personalized app invitations. Once your user invites someone, they'll receive an invite to install your app that's context optimized on the best channel, whether that's a notification, SMS, or email. You can also deep link them to a personalized onboarding flow that uses other products like Google Sign-in and Google Wallet. By including an offer or incentive to share the app, you can continue the cycle and drive more installs. Add an app card to your YouTube videos. Make your uploaded videos on your YouTube channel work harder at driving installs. Add a merchandising card with a link to your app's Play Store listing. More views could equal more downloads. Earn word of mouth. Recommendations are priceless. They're one of the most powerful ways to drive installs. Create a beta testing group and engage your app's most passionate users. Encourage a rating or review with appropriate in-app messaging. Build your social presence on YouTube and Google+ and other networks. And reach out to key bloggers and media. As your user network builds, you should take advantage of the community by releasing your app or app update across smartphones, tablets, Wear, TV, and Auto at the same time. So when excitement builds around your launch, users can get it on all their devices immediately. And remember, wherever you have a community or use marketing, display the Google Play badge that links to your store listing so users know how to find your app. For more information on gaining users and driving installs, head over to the Distribute section of the Android developer website. If you want more tips on how to improve your app or game's performance and how to build a better app business, check out the other videos in this series and download the Secrets to App Success on Google Play.